This is the round eye review on the GrillBee 16-inch pizza stone. Griddle up. What's up, everybody? This is a special edition of the round eye review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the GrillBee pizza stone, a 16-inch ceramic stone made for grills, ovens, and of course your Blackstone griddle. The GrillBee pizza stone even fits on a grill. The GrillBee pizza stone even fits in a conventional oven. Top rack, griddle up. So, in my next griddle episode that I've got coming up, I'm going to be doing a 16-inch pizza. But before I do that, I want to do a review on this pizza stone. I just got it, and I want to check it out and make sure it doesn't have the smell that you hear about. It doesn't crack. A lot of different stones that you can find on Amazon, and I did a lot of research on that. They vary from $22 and change all the way up to $65 and $70. Some include a pizza peel, a pizza cutter, included all in the package. But all the reviews, the same thing I kept seeing was terrible smells, didn't work, they cracked. So I looked up GrillBee and I found it. Only 23 reviews on Amazon. And I've got the link below in my description. 23 reviews. This product just came out in 2021. Everything I've seen, there's not been one negative review. So I thought, hey, why don't I do a review for you guys that's not on Amazon, that I can put on YouTube, and you guys can check it out and see what you think for yourself. So let's get into the box. It shows up, it looks like a pizza, which is already cool. I like the boxing. Packaged well. QR code, and it has a 12-month, 1-year warranty. So you already know, you warranty it, you sign up 7 days from receiving your package, you're good, you're warranted for 1 year. I don't know if they stand by it. This product just came out and this is my first time with any experience with GrillBee. So let's check out this stone here. It's a nice ceramic stone. It's got the GrillBee logo right here. No seasoning is required. All they ask is when you warm this up, you warm it up with your griddle or your grill or your oven. So everything that starts off cold, you put in the cold stone with it and let it warm up with either your oven, your grill, or your griddle. So far, no imperfections, flat, no smell so far, so that's a good thing. All right, to continue this review, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the Blackstone griddle with the cold stone on it so they both get hot at the same time, and I'll be checking temperatures to see how they do. I'll look for any discolorations underneath. We'll also check and see if there's any odors or that nasty smell. Right now, GrillBee, all their packages saying you won't get that. So now we're gonna find out if it holds up. All right, it's been 15 minutes since we lit up the griddle. The box says 30 minutes, 500 degrees. That's in a conventional oven. Let's see where we're at 15 minutes into this on the Blackstone. On the Blackstone, obviously at 15 minutes, I'm well over 500 degrees on my Blackstone surface. On my GrillBee pizza stone, I'm over 300 degrees, just over 300 degrees. So I'm gonna let it sit on here, keep going for another 15 minutes, and then we'll check back. All right, it's been 30 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead, check our temperatures again, see where we're at. We already know we're over 500 degrees on our Blackstone griddle. So let's see where we are on top of the GrillBee pizza stone. I'm just over 400 degrees, sitting right around 402, 403. This has been on here for 30 minutes. This has gotten extremely hot. I'm gonna let it sit another 15 minutes on here. All right, so now another 15 minutes, a total of 45 minutes through the whole process. No smell, no chemical odor at all. Let's take a look and see what the top of this GrillBee pizza stone is. All right, 45 minutes with no top, just the bottom griddle warming it up. I'm at 425 degrees. I'm pretty sure if I had the hood on and used it in a sense as a conventional oven with the top, this top would get warmer faster. We'd probably hit that mark of 500 degrees within 30 minutes. I'm gonna let this cool down. We'll come back, take a look at the bottom, see how that looks, and go through the cleaning process. Our grill stone now has completely cooled down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back of it. We have discoloration as stated on the box and in the description. This discoloration is from the heat, obviously. No cracks, still a nice smooth surface. During the entire 30 minutes, I actually ran it an extra 15, so total 45 minutes. There was no chemical odor or anything coming from this stone. It worked out great. When it comes to cleaning this stone, now that it's cool, I'm just gonna use warm water, wipe it down, no soap, a soft sponge, again with no soap or detergent in it, wipe it down, then dry it with the towel. This material, this stone is porous, so you don't want to submerge it or soak it in water. It is not dishwasher safe. Once you've wiped it down with the warm water, just take a towel, dry it off really good, and then just store it inside. So far, just going through the prep, warming it up, cleaning it, checking it. There was no smell. Check. The brown discoloring on the back, as they stated, did happen. There was no imperfections after the first time I preheated it and warmed it up. There was no cracking. It fits in the oven, it fits on a grill, and it fits on the Blackstone griddle top. Again, the griddle top I've been using is a 36-inch Blackstone. I would imagine this fits on the 28-inch and potentially the 22-inch. I think this is going to be a great product. I look forward to using it. The link to the GrillBee pizza stone is in the description below. I hope you'll check it out. Until next time, Round Eye out. Good luck.